Welcome to Teeny DIY Craft! Hope you enjoy the video! Can you guess what I'm making? A pink-colored paper. Cut along the lines. Fold it up. A pink box. Look at this. Now they're chocolate bars. We need a wrapper. Seal the edges. Time to eat. Everyone loves chocolate. Let's make another snack. A squishy egg sandwich. Shape the bread. Make it look more real. A bit of tape. Almost done with the bread. The familiar cotton stuffing. I really love this. Next, the fried egg. What's missing? Oh, right, green onions. Time to pack it up. Perfect. Baby shark and more. Follow my steps. Now fold them one by one. Fold like a fan. We've got a 3D picture. Keep going. What do you think? Let's make it. Color the strawberry bunny picture. Make any shape you like. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like it. Add a border. Use a rainbow strip. Easy, right? Almost done. So impressive! What's this? Wow! Let's start! Wrap a small card with cute paper. Kids, don't take your eyes off the screen. It's really not hard. You'll need a craft knife. Be careful, ask an adult for help. If this is your first video, follow me so you don't miss any DIY crafts. Keep going! So magical. Prepare paper like this. Another sheet of paper. What shape do you like? Color it. Do you like pink like I do? So cute! A glossy film. Very important. Draw the outline. Watch how I place it. Surprised? Next, orange jelly. Draw the shape you like. If you like my video, please share it. Every share gives us motivation. The picture is almost finished. I love orange flavor. What about you? Oranges are great for health. Ta-da! Glossy paper. Can you guess what this is? It's slime. Push it up and again. Just a few more steps. Enjoy! You're welcome to try. Patrick, Spongebob, let's make them. Draw the characters and color them. Do you remember this yellow sponge? Beautiful! Patrick too! Watch this hand part. Make a base for the character. Snack time. They're true best friends. Wow! A glowing jar. Draw a jar. Add details to make it realistic. Dot with blue paint. Guess what I'm doing? Look, a swarm of yellow bees. Add twinkle lights. And done! What's this? Wow, it's rock candy! So yummy! Let's make it now! Blue color, butterfly pea flavor. Wrap with tape. Use double-sided tape. Roll it in snowy sugar powder. Looks delicious, right? I made all flavors. Make the candy box. So pretty! What do you think? Try it yourself. Glossy paper, tape, colored pens, clay, cotton swabs, colorful water beads, such creative color pens. Wow, real colors? Is this toothpaste? A strawberry toothpaste tube. Does it remind you of an hourglass? Roll the spiral wire. Watch what I do. Are you so focused that you forgot to subscribe? I'd love to see you again. Hit the bell icon to catch all new videos. Yeah, all done. I have this drawing. Let's color it. Blow up a small balloon. Ah, 2 cheeks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.